basically it gives us all the MEA, wind component, everything. Got the weather, and now we shall start working with the regular flight checklists and everything.
We have 105
plus 9,
which is 114 on board through security.
Kingfisher 512, roger. Stand 21, push back and start up approved facing east.
Push and start facing east, and correction, level 310.
Over the mass flood, LV is 61.
Clear to start 2?
Clear to start number 2.
Starting 2.
Yeah, basically we wait for these to turn green, then the bleed comes in, then you have your N2, ignition, fuel flow is rising, you get your igniters out here. That's the ignition B, and we get an N1 also. Fuel flow.
Captain, you may put parking brake on.
Parking brake set, disconnect the tow bar, please.
Disconnecting, Captain.
Normally we would be monitoring all of this just as we do when we do a normal, when we do a manual start, but with the FedEx, you just it does all the passive monitoring and shutting down if required.
Clear to start 1.
Clear to start number 1, Captain.
Starting 1.
I'll monitor 2. And ground Kingfisher 512, request taxi.
Kingfisher 512, taxi via Lima 2 Delta, hold short runway 14.
Lima 2 Delta, hold short 14, Kingfisher 512.
Clear left.
Lima 2 Delta,
Ground India
hold short
166
right
is standing by.
is clear.
Check. Clear left.
Yeah, we've got the way. That's Bombay Airport. This part is the domestic side. That side is all the corporates, and that end is all the internationals. Bosses here. The corporate jet is here, so you can take a look at that over there.
Good afternoon, go ahead.
Parking stand 22, sir, fully ready for push.
Roger, India 865, stand 22, push back and start up approved facing east.
Little push facing east in the race 65.
We're ready now.
Roger, line for 27, clear for takeoff, wind 160 degrees 05 knots.
16005, cleared for takeoff, runway 27, Kingfisher 512. Cleared for takeoff.
Mumbai target, good afternoon, Kingfisher
Below the line
3142 with
checklist.
you on island.
Cleared for takeoff, rolling. Kingfisher 512 rolling.
Kingfisher 512, roger.
Stabilize.
Man flex 69 SRS runway order thrust blue.
Checked. Thrust set. V1, rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Okay.
Kingfisher 512, Air 142, contact radar 127.9.
279, good day, Kingfish 512. Alpha departure.
Kingfish 512, namaskar sir. Identified, continue climb to level 140, negative restriction.
Unrestricted 140, Kingfish
Skip direct,
512.
we're back.
Virgin 350, turn left heading 040, vectoring to ILS approach runway 27.
Left heading 040, back to ILS 27, Virgin 350.
Gonna try direct, we're back.
And did we turn direct to Vivek, Kingfisher 512?
Yeah, one second. Kingfish 512 to proceed direct. We can proceed to Mach Bravo 362 when able. Heading 020 and descend to 3,700 feet, QNH 1015.
He said no restrictions.
Left heading 020, descend 3,700 feet, 1015, Virgin 350. Descending level 150, November we have.
Simulate 506, Mumbai radar, descend to flight level 100 and proceed to Mach Bravo 391.
Mike Bravo 391 and descend flight level 100, 506.
Virgin 350, position 17 miles from touchdown.
Standard.
Virgin 350, Virgin.
Passing 4,200 now.
After takeoff climb checklist.
After takeoff climb checklist, landing gear is up.